Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Alicia, and as you guys can tell by the title and just by how I look, this is going to be a natural hair video. We decided that we would like to turn things around on our channel and start doing a little more natural things, natural beauty, natural hair, and stuff of that nature. So I've actually been going around to different stores and whatnot, Walgreens, Target, Sally's, Walmart, and just pretty much looking for specific products just to see if it works for my hair. So up first is a line that I've been seeing for a really long time. The name of this brand is called MyDNA. I did pick up the MyDNA Hydrating Co-Wash Conditioning Cleanser, as well as their moisturizing hair butter. And of course I wanted to get an oil, so I did pick up their serum, and I'm going to use these products in my hair video today. So if you guys tried their line before, definitely leave a comment down below letting me know what you got and how it worked on your hair. So as you guys can see, I do have half of my hair twisted up already, but before I placed the twists in my hair, I did co-wash my hair maybe 3 days ago by using their Hydrating Co-Wash Conditioning Cleanser. Okay, so my hair was semi-dirty, semi-clean. I was in between wash days, and if you know me, I typically would suggest using a shampoo and a conditioner. However, I definitely want to try out their line just to see if I can vouch for it. Again, I did have a little product buildup, so I wanted to remove that product buildup, get my hair back moisturized, as well as condition my hair because it was a little dry because I was in between my wash day. So I did use the Hydrating Co-Wash and I applied it all over my hair, and I noticed straight off the bat that my hair really liked the product. I do feel like my hair did get very soft. However, I didn't feel like my hair got as clean as I wanted it to. So again, if you are in between wash days, you can use their Hydrating Co-Wash. However, if your hair is dirty, I personally would not recommend it because it did not get my hair as clean as I would like it to. Right here, I do have a section of my hair that is again very dry. So firstly, I'm going to do is saturate my hair with room temperature water. And as you guys can see, this spray bottle is life. All you gotta do is push it once and it gives you at least 2 to 3 seconds of water. So now that I have the water in, you just really want to just work the water throughout your strands, making sure that everything is hydrated. I like my hair to be hydrated but not saturated with water. Okay, now I'm going to take the MyDNA moisturizing hair butter, and this is for spiral, wavy, kinky, coily, and straight hair. So no matter what your hair type is, this is sure enough to work for you. The consistency of this moisturizer isn't like what it says. It's not very buttery. I think of anything buttery to be kind of like a shea butter, but this is actually really moisturizing and very creamy. I actually prefer moisturizers of this texture because it really penetrates my hair very well and doesn't just sit on top of my strands. So I actually prefer a consistency like this. So I like to start off at the ends of my hair, and then I'll work my way up to my root area. I'm using medium-sized twists, as you guys can see. This is just about how big each twist is. And now I'm gonna start my twist. I like to separate the hair into 2 sections, making sure both sections are even because you don't want to have to borrow hair. So you want to make sure they're as even as possible. And then I use my index fingers and my thumb to grab each section and just start twisting. When I get towards the ends, you want to identify if your hair needs more water or more moisture. I can use a little more water, so I'm gonna spray just a little bit and take a little more of that moisturizer, again just like a fingertip amount, and apply that towards the ends. So I like to kind of twist the hair a little bit just to make sure that it's nice and moisturized. But because of the fact that they're single strand knots, I have no reason to keep them, and I like to just identify where the knots are and just clip them away. So just like that. And again, if you don't need to cut your hair, you can just skip that step. However, I do have some single strand knots and I want to get rid of it. And this is the twist that I achieved. So here's the twist. As you guys can see, it's nice and plump. There's the ends, they're nicely twirled. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish twisting up my hair, and I will show you guys my hair when I'm done. Okay, so all of my hair is twisted up. I'm gonna take a little of the moisturizer and just apply it along my edges. So now I'm gonna take the serum that I also picked up from the line. I'm just gonna take a couple of pumps of that, not too much because I don't want my hair to be super weighed down, but I want to focus on sealing in that moisture. So I'm just taking a few pumps and just applying it to my hair and just kind of scrunch my hair just a bit. So here's my twist up close. There are the ends. I did clip some of the ends where I feel like I have some single strand knots or some split ends. I'm gonna do a 360. So again, you guys, I'm gonna let my hair dry. I'll be back tomorrow with the takedown, and we're gonna see just how well MyDNA hair butter and their line of products works on my kinky, curly, coily hair type, okay? Again, if you tried these products, leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, hello. I am back and my hair is completely dry. I'm actually loving the fact that my hair isn't too shrunken. So that means I'm gonna have some nice length when I remove those, hopefully. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the MyDNA serum, which is this, but I do see that there is some Anoi oil in it, some shea butter, some cocoa butter, and a few other different extracts within this oil. So it is a serum, so you can use this when you're blowing out or flat ironing your hair, as well as sealing in your hair and keeping away the frizz. But I'm gonna take just a few pumps of the serum. I'm gonna start removing the twist. Let me show you guys how I remove my twist. I actually start at the base of my twist and I twist until I have this opening here, and I stick my finger in. While twisting this part around my finger, I just run this finger down. But yeah, just pull it apart, kind of tug on it just a bit, and then let it go. And this is how it would look. So again, I just twist to open up the base. I stick my finger in, and while twirling this end, I'm just running my finger down and just keep going all the way to the ends and just separate it. Tug it a little bit and then just separate it once. And you see that it's a really good. So this is how it looks. But I like to go in and fluff a little more. What I like to do is just take one of the sections and I pull it. And when you pull it, you're able to identify areas that want to separate on its own. So you just kind of take it and just pull it. So there's one, and I see another area. And just, you know, just want to take your time with it. So just pull on the twist and just separate it where it naturally wants to. So I'm just going to keep on going throughout my hair and separating it so that I can get a fuller style. But this is how my hair is looking. Very, very defined. So if you love additional volume, again, I love volume more than length, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take either a wide tooth comb, or you can take an afro pick, whichever you prefer, and just fluff out the root area so that my hair looks very, very full and very thick, okay? So guys, this is the way my twist out looks on day one with super heavy manipulating of my hair. So far, I'm definitely liking the products. With that being said, I do feel like my hair is moisturized. I'm not noticing a ton of product buildup or flakes, but all in all, I do feel like the MyDNA hair moisturizing butter is a really good alternative if you're somebody who wants both moisture and styling with your hair without a ton of different products. Because you know, normally we would have to layer a leave-in, a moisturizer, an oil, and then a styler. This is actually great on its own. If you've used this brand before, let me know your take on it. Let me know your experiences on it, and also leave a comment down below on a product that you would like to see us try, because again, we're going to start this new segment on our channel, just pretty much trying out different products to see how it works on our hair. But again, this is my twist out. Of course, my hair is going to get bigger and better, you know, as time flies. I'm going to turn around so you can see the back. See how it is. But all in all, I like it. My hair is really cute. So let me know if you guys are feeling the style, if you used the products before, and let me know what products you'd like to see on our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for those of you out there, and if it was helpful, please share it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.